Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you were going through your Garmin Connect password, but suddenly you are logged out. But you forgot your password. And now, basically as I told you, you can just log in. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through on how to reset your actual Garmin Connect password in under a minute. So let's get started. First and first, all we're gonna do is open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. If you are using Android or iOS, it doesn't really matter, same steps. So, we're gonna go all the way, swipe away, then tap on Garmin Connect. As for now, tap on Sign In. So, while going to the login screen, you should go and tap Forgot My Password or having trouble signing in. Then enter your email address and hit Send. Now, Garmin will email you a password reset link within a minute or two max. So, about the mistake that everyone makes, they click forgot password 5 times because the email is so. Now you have 5 reset links in your inbox. So basically only the most recent one works, the other 4 will give you an error. If you spam the button, delete the other email and only use the newest thing. So you're gonna tell me I opened my email but couldn't find the code pin or whatsoever. Go all the way and check every part of your email, including the spam folder. That's usually where this type of emails go through. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.